Thanks for watching Spectrum News. I'm meteorologist Jeff Andrews. Have your weather on the ones. And we have a slight chance at rain today, mainly just a cloudy Monday. Highs cooler will be in the 70s, at least to start the week. Overall, it's mainly a dry week for us. Here's where we're headed today. 72 for Lee Summit, Olathe high 70, same for Overland Park. The airport in downtown Kansas City, Monday highs of 75. Monday night into Tuesday morning, it's 60s for overnight lows. Not too bad, comfortable.
If the conditions are right, meteorologist Jeff Andrews has the latest.
And clearly, our #1 weather headline, storms, the potential for strong to severe storms, likely in several waves across the state, across the day into the evening. Very warm temperatures, higher dew points, that's added fuel for the potential storms. This contour you see here in the deeper red, Eau Claire, La Crosse, Madison, that is where the highest threat is for Wisconsin. 4 on a 5 scale. You go further to the east, a level 3, southeastern Wisconsin, a level 2. And all threats on the table, potential for damaging winds, sizable hail, strong tornadoes, all a possibility. All right, on Futurecast, you can see it wants to form somewhat of a linear pattern.
Our area and the same systems are still on the move.
Storm Track 9 meteorologist Jeff Andrews joins us now with the latest developments. Jeff.
Well, I want to share the upside out of the gate. All right, the tornado watch, it was mainly to the south. That was expired early, and we had a flood advisory in place as well. Portage, Waupaca counties, they expired that as well. Any doubt what's going on in Wausau right now? You can see the flashes on the Covantage Credit Union cam. The rain is coming down. 69 right now. Yes, it's humid. It's raining. North winds at 10 miles an hour. This is what we're seeing where the thunderstorm activity is. This is a 2-hour loop that I have here. Primarily Clark, Marathon, Wood, Portage County. All right, it's still pretty active right now. Fortunately, non-severe. All right, this particular cell now for Wausau, we've got more activity ahead. All right, towards about just around 10:15, I would say so. Ringel 1038, also Hatley. Along the track of this particular cell. There are about 4 that I've been watching here. Dark and early, 5:30 sunrise, about 10 after 6. In the meantime, it's breezy. Southwest winds about 15 miles an hour. It's pretty comfortable as far as the temperatures right now. Most of us in the 60s. By the time we get to noon, about 76, low 80s this afternoon with lots of sunshine. Cloudy day for us, but rain chances, not really talking about it today. They're on the slim side, but on the increase as we go through the day into the evening, but more so as we get into your Saturday morning. Pretty good chance we're going to be starting out Saturday with a lot of rainfall. In Portugal on Thursday with 100 family, fans, and friends by his side. Bobby earned the title of world's oldest dog in February after his birth date of May 11th, 1992 was confirmed by the Veterinarian Medical Service and a government-run pet database. 31.
First jaw on the ground.
That's amazing, 31 years old, but also that he had 100 friends. I don't have 100 friends.
I'm bordering on maybe 10.
Right? Like, take a 0 away, and then...
The dog's older than me.
The dog is older than you, and me.
Jeff's like, no comment.
Jeff's
Jeff.
the old dog in the house, yes.
Probably not.
And we now turn to a health alert. Babies are considered extremely premature if they're born at or before 25 weeks of pregnancy. It's a highly risky scenario because of how underdeveloped the baby is. According to the latest data from the World Health Organization, roughly 900,000 extremely premature babies died around the world in 2019 alone. Now scientists are testing a new device which acts like an artificial womb. Fox's Sue Guzman takes a closer look. Thanks for watching Spectrum News. I'm meteorologist Jeff Andrews with your weather on the ones. We're talking mild weather for today, but some changes ahead for us here fairly quick. A lot of 40s today, some spots headed for the 50s, mix of sun and clouds. Precipitation-wise, maybe far northern Wisconsin could see a wintry mix as we finish out the daylight hours today. Looking ahead, better chance at seeing some snow, maybe more widespread towards Wednesday, followed by Arctic air, another dose on Thursday. As we look at the rest of today, headed towards 54 Milwaukee. As we take you into the evening, the 40s, a mild night for us tonight, certainly by December standards. After high temperatures ranging from about 52 for Kenosha. Milwaukee, we're seeing in Whitewater highs this afternoon around 50. Over the longer stretch, all right, we've got that Arctic air. We're headed downwards. And then back up the roller coaster to some milder temperatures for the upcoming weekend. We finish out the day today. We've got the sunshine, a little more cloud cover to finish out the daylight hours, but dry for us. Cloudy as we start our day tomorrow. As we get into the afternoon hours, perhaps we could see some light snow. Not expecting any kind of accumulation for our Tuesday. Jumping ahead to Wednesday, here's how it looks across the area on Wednesday morning. By Wednesday evening, the light snow potential out of play for the Milwaukee area. As far as any kind of precipitation today, far in northern Wisconsin, then we tack on Wednesday into the evening. Still not a whole lot expected. Trace maybe up to an inch. As far as the opportunities at precipitation being measurable, Wednesday really looks to be the potential day for us at this point. Partly cloudy tonight, west breeze at 10. We're going to drop down to 28 for our overnight low. Not bad by December standards. As we break up the day for tomorrow, quite a bit of cloud cover. We're into the afternoon. Low mid-30s, and that's about as far as we're going to go tomorrow. A little bit of a change from today, though. A little unrealistic. 50 this afternoon, average high being 38. 34 for the day tomorrow, then we head back downwards even further on Wednesday. Maybe some snow, high at 28. Behind that, a dose of Arctic air on Thursday. Mostly sunny skies, our high only 15. We're going to see our overnight lows in the single digits for a few evenings. Then we start to rebound as we head towards the upcoming weekend. Cloudy on Friday, high of 33. On Saturday and Sunday, up to 40.